Imrie is our first fashion designer. This collection is perfect for a party girl. More parties, I suppose, coming up in the summer. So, well, she helps you out to stand out this summer. And as she says, summer 2011 is all about being unique. Handmade garments and accessories with custom dyed fabrics guarantees you will never see someone else wearing the same thing. I'm scared of that all the time. So anyway, music please, Sara Imrie.
I'm a princess of the world. I'm a princess of the world. I'm a princess of the world. And you're a princess of the world. I'm a princess of the world. I'm a princess of the world. I'm a princess of the world. And you're a princess of the world. I try to be that perfect little girl that you told me I should be. Yeah. But hey, now I know this, it didn't work for me. So now I'm just as naughty as I can be. Hey! 'Cause I'm a princess, and I think you know that all the princesses must be treated like gold. Oh no, I won't do what I'm told. I don't believe that silence is gold. I want to speak my mind when I want. Oh no, I won't do what I'm told. 'Cause I'm a good girl, and I think you know that all the good girls must be treated like gold.